Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project 25 Hours Live by Runwal Realty located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. You can also have a look at the actual land parcel where the construction is in full swing. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 21 acres that has total of 9 towers. And now, talking about the new launch tower, Tower D, it has ground plus 47 story, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now, before getting into the location and connectivity, let me tell you that we are standing at the main entrance of the project. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. Talking about location and connectivity, this project is located next to our mall Manpara, Thane, from where Eastern Express Highway is only at a distance of 1 minute, upcoming metro station is at a distance of 100 meters, upcoming Borivali Tunnel is at a distance of 500 meters, and you have Thane railway station at a distance of 15 minutes from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 45 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, multipurpose hall, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, 2 BHK in the carpet area of 565 to 718 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 951 to 1280 square feet. And now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for these projects are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Runwal 25 Hours Live by Runwal Realty located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.